Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share about the SMD transistor. We'll discuss about the transistor, especially SMD transistor 23 packets marking L6. Look at this transistor, it's marking L6. Transistors came with many size or packets, and there are many marking from the manufacturer datasheet. The transistors can be damaged by variety of factors and can be damaged by excessive voltage, can be damaged by excessive current, can be damaged by overheating, can be damaged by static electricity, can be damaged physically device such as cracking or breaking. Okay, if you are looking for this transistor in your electronics store but you didn't find, that is why I make this video for you to share the equivalent so that you can use the equivalent transistor to replace L6 like this transistor. Okay, let's check the datasheet. L6 according to datasheet, this is NPN transistor. Okay, this is collector band, this is emitter band, and this is base band. Okay, so base, emitter, collector. This is a general purpose transistor for audio frequency. It is important to handle and use the transistor within specific operating condition to avoid serious damage. Okay, for detailed information about this transistor is 2SC 1623L6 23 packets or C1623LC. Okay, maximum voltage that can be handled by this transistor 50 volt, and AC current or collector current 100 milliampere. Okay, operating temperature that can be handled by this transistor 150 Celsius. Okay, and this is general purpose transistors for audio frequency.